Talking about gun control is a controversial topic, but I'm going to give you my point of view. So I have been living in the United States for 5 years, and I have been living in some states where the gun control is not so strong as other states. But I have to tell you that I have never felt safer in my whole life. So I think that the gun control that United States has is good. I think it is good that each state has dominion in its own laws. So for now, I agree with Donald Trump that this country shouldn't have more gun control policy going forward. And I'm going to give you 5 reasons. First, this is something that characterizes this country, the freedom that you have to defend yourself. Second, if you are a bad guy who wants to do something against someone, you wouldn't do it with someone who is armed. That is why I think this place is so much safer than Colombia. Third, doesn't matter how strong the gun control is. When someone wants to kill another, they're gonna do it in any way. Fourth, or at least they're gonna try to do it in any way. Fourth, I am a Colombian citizen and I am against the gun control that my country has because if you want to have a gun, you had to have been kidnapped or have had a very bad experience or be under threat. So it is only a minority who can have access to weapons legally. But it's not a secret that in Colombia a lot of people obtain guns illegally. Those people use them to treat, rob, bribe, kill, kidnap, a lot of bad things. So to conclude this, I just want to say that having extreme gun control does not protect you because people always are going to find things illegally. In the other way, having this kind of gun control makes you helpless without any way to defend yourself and your family. And now that I am a mom, a mother, I think a lot about this benefit that I have that I can protect my child with a gun. Okay, fifth, those politicians who set a strong gun control that doesn't let you have a gun to defend yourself are the same that will use the benefit of being protected with the help of their bodyguards gun. So this is what I think. Thank you.